I'm not an engineer, but sometimes I like to pretend to be one. If you're familiar with my channel, you might have seen my wind-powered grandfather clock. This was a fun but challenging project, and someone liked it so much they bought it. So I thought I would make another one, but with one big difference. Yes, the moving eyes. And I finally think I have got it worked out. Now it's still in a pretty rough state. I will be doing updates on this as I go. Please consider subscribing to Is Not, Is To Art Studio.